Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show or hide horizontal category axis of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a chart. Now we can see this chart included a category line. Now we want to hide or show this category axis. Click the chart element and click the axis. Then go to the more option. Then check mark of the primary horizontal. Then we can see here we hide this axis. You check mark on the horizontal primary to show this axis. Now we can see here we hide or show the horizontal category axis of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.